The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Good Friday. Getting ready for the Easter weekend. Only an hour and 10 minutes or so of streaming today since the market closes early. We see NQ heading down with a big purple candle right now. I wasn't actually planning on really trading, but it looks like, yeah, there's a good move right here. Look at that move down. Markets overnight kind of stagnant as expected. Oh yeah, good morning, Rand Wolf, Matt, Florian, Imad, Kevin, Omar, Borneo. A lot of people here this morning, more than normal. So I think ES high was its first candle. It looks like, yeah, 41.31.25. Looks like the low was here, 41.24. It's only a 7-point range. It's just at its daily low now. NQ's saying that it's getting close to its daily low. It's like its high was back here though, 13.176. And low 13.140. It's only like 76 to 40. Only like a 36-point range. Very small. Hey, Ivan, how you doing? And we're falling. But like I said, not a lot of range overnight at all. All the markets are closed besides treasuries. You can see the treasuries have barely had any movement as well. That's where we stand. Could have taken that trade maybe there. I actually wasn't planning on trading, but if there's an opportunity, I guess. Just gonna see what non-farm payrolls do and see what the aftermath of that is on a Friday that doesn't have a lot of participants in the market. A lot of people have probably already taken off for the weekend. Everybody's working toward the weekend. How's everyone doing this morning? Y'all have weekend plans? And another purple candle. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, that's right. Purple candle, but no body, hardly any body, and now it's green, so there we go. There we go. Yes, Leonardo, yep. Only about an hour. But excitement in about 25 minutes with non-farm payrolls. And next week, I think we have CPI and PPI maybe? Let's see, maybe only one of those two. Let's see if I can find financial juice. The juice is loose. They have next month's stuff up yet, next week's stuff up yet. Yeah, looks like they do. Yeah, Wednesday, April 12th, CPI. Same day, you have a Bank of Canada rate decision. Wow. And Thursday, PPI with jobless claims. So next week's going to be fun. And Friday, retail sales. So lots of big news next week, guys. We'll be rocking and rolling. Tuesday, though, there's absolutely nothing. That's the only day. Tuesday be like boring. Monday's not a lot, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be fun. Should be, should be, should be. Market continuing to try and come down. Like I said, we're at daily. Well, it's just about at daily lows. ES is at lows, but NQ was low as 140. It's 3 points off of that. There we go. Thank everyone for being here this morning. I really didn't expect a big of a crowd with the fact that it is a short session today. Might hit that like button if you enjoying the stream, or you expect to enjoy the stream. I appreciate it. Hey, Rod. Well, thank you for the support and welcome. Good to see you. If if today wasn't non-farm payrolls, I probably would have taken the day off. But non-farm payrolls is always fun. So I mean, I don't think I'm gonna be taking any trades, but I have the charts ready if the opportunity presents. Those of you that are doing props, if you do enter trades, make sure you're closed by before 9:15. That's correct, Rod. Weird, I know. Very weird. And the treasuries markets are actually open 2 hours after that, but don't expect that to be anything exciting. The actual stock market is closed. Yeah, like I said, I don't really plan on taking a trade. I think it's basically a non-farm payroll watch party. Hey, Linux, how you doing? That said, non-farm payrolls better be exciting for me to have, not taking the opportunity to sleep in. How's your trading been going, Linux? I haven't talked much lately. Popping back above the 20 there. Uh, hello. If I mispronounce your name, I apologize. Please correct me on how to pronounce it. Uriel Cohen, welcome. Good. I don't recognize your name, so I'm assuming you're new. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the herd. Good. Glad I got it right. I've had my name mispronounced like my entire life, so I hate mispronouncing other people's names. Awesome. Glad to hear that, Linux. Watching the candles form here. We're about 16 minutes until non-farm payroll. Man, nothing wrong with doing both. I remember you were doing something with crypto too for a while. You still doing that? Hovering on that 20 EMA? There's NQ trying to pop up. I like that move. That 20 cross could have been a decent little trade, maybe. I saw all. After that Elon Musk pump of making Doge the logo for Twitter, Doge pumped. I didn't have much, but I had like $100 worth. It pumped to like $120 worth thanks to him. So then I cashed it out before he crashed the market back down. Yeah, FTX really messed up. There's gonna be lots of regulation coming, I think. Morning, Andrew. 15 minutes to NFP. Are you down with NFP? Yeah, you know me. Sorry. You never quite know what's gonna come out of my mouth. Not an exciting morning, which we didn't expect. Here, train a coming. Yeah, volume is not Heavy. Do I have anything with a volume chart for regular NQ? No, I don't. Thought I did somewhere. But I have like 30 different NQ charts. So volume daily. Uh, yeah, regular NQ is only at 24. Okay. Morning, JC. Hey, Crypticon. Yep. Happy Easter. Hey, Deb. Reminder for everybody that the market does close in less than an hour for the weekend. In case you weren't aware, we have non-farm payrolls first. Yeah, I did not expect it to be worth trading this morning, but I wasn't gonna yeah, easy for me to say. I wasn't gonna not stream non-farm payrolls. Man, it seems like a lot of people were interested, and I expect. You're welcome, Leonardo, and thank you for saying that. Popping back down, so it got above the 20 for a second. No, actually, for about 7 minutes. Now try to get back down. Get down, get down. Got to remember to take the Easter egg away from the top there over the weekend. Oh, popping up here. Huge 2 point candle. 2.5 points now. Oh, look, that's 3. 4. It's the biggest candle we've seen in a while. Not taking it, by the way. It is a blue candle. It is a trigger candle. I'm not taking it. Did think about it, though. Watch this next candle go 50 points. Look at that. I should have quickly took it for a quick scalp. So up to the 20. So yeah, I could have taken a quick scalp up to the 100. I mean, might have been a nice little trade to add to the balance today. Oh, should have. Yeah, I saw that. It was right before, well, 15 minutes before I started streaming. That was interesting right there. Because they were like actually, moving kind of upwards even as they were purple candles. I'm over the weekend. I'm gonna really be taking a closer look at the 5 minute. I did it. I charted the 5 minute yesterday. I charted the 5 and the 1 minute yesterday. And yesterday, the 1 minute would have, if I had traded all day, it would have been like 48 points net uh, for the 8 hours on the 1 minute. But on the 5 minute, it would have been. It's here somewhere. On the 5 minute, it would have been 151 points of profit. And a lot less trades. Yeah, so I'm gonna spend the time over the weekend to chart out a couple months worth of the 5 minute. Only thing about the 5 minute though is that if you're using, with the strategy is I use the top of the trigger candle or the bottom of the trigger candle, which depending on which way it's going, as the stop. And like one of the trades yesterday went like a 50 point stop loss, 75 point target. That worked, but you definitely have to use micros for something with a 50 point stop, at least until you got a huge cushion. Here's the 5 minute. You can see me charting out there. This was yesterday. Maybe it wasn't yesterday at the 50. Maybe the day before. This would have been 20 point stop, 30 points. This would have been three straight winners. And it would have been like only two losers the entire day. Here, this is the. No? It's here somewhere. There we go. It was Wednesday. Right here, this would have been off the opening candle. 50 point stop, but 75 point target, and it hit it. So, I mean, it worked, obviously. Yep, 2 minutes to go. It, well, it sniffed the 100, never really hit it and pulled back. Book's probably extra thin. So it's gonna be interesting. The other interesting thing is how many algos are turned on. There's probably a lot of companies that are off today don't even have their algos, their computers on. minute to go. Less than 1 minute to go. Getting all whippy. Hello, freighter. Pop in here right before this report. Okay, and boom. Wow. Actually, it's not that big of a wow. It looked a bigger wow. And now it's a wow to the other side. And now it's totally confused. It looked like a bigger wow than what it was. Uh, Unemployment rate 3.5%. Non-farm payroll is 236K. Expected was 230K. No, I'm sorry, wrong. Yeah. So yeah, that was right. And that's a freaky candle. Like it's a mess. So got up to 184 as well as 122. So has a 62-point range on this candle. Right now it's only going 13 points from its start. And back down. So, I mean, obviously, times we see 100, 200 point reactions to NFP. So, this is a smaller reaction, which is kind of what I expected. I just thought it was going to be a huge reaction because of a very thin book, or. Good job. Excellent job, Rod. Yeah. Well, I think the other thing with JC is I think most of the holidays, the market closes at like noon, and today it's closing at 8:15. So, or 9:15. I'm sorry, Eastern. So, yeah, that's the other weird thing about today. That's probably a smart idea, Rod. Really smart. Good job. We'll continue to stream up until the close of the market, so about less than 45 minutes. We'll see if there's anything. I mean, this isn't that big of a reaction that we can't possibly pick up a trade if something presents itself. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't even stream today if it hadn't been NFP day. But here I am with 26 of my closest friends. She's trying to rise up here. Oh, so we're at high day. This candle, that candle made a new high and a low day. You gotta love it when it does that. The Ultra Bond market's open, and it did not like it. Ultra Bond jumped down by 25 ticks, still going down. Blue lines. Where? Uh, oh, wait, over here? That's just my charting on off the 1 minute. It clumps them all together. When I chart, oh, I do it on that, and I mark each win of the day with a purple line, and each one that would have lost with a blue line. That's yesterday off the 1 minute chart. But when I go back to the hourly, it just clumps them all together. Not the most scientific method, but it helps me go back through and then count the wins and losses and the points. I come back down through the 20. Both of them are there. Maybe they were a little surprised too. Earn a Trade originally had the wrong time up. They Earn a Trade on their Discord said 10:15, and I got an email from I think it was NinjaTrader that said 8:15 or 9:15. I'm sorry, 8:15 Central, 9:15 Eastern. And I'm like, and then I went to the CME website and that confirmed it. I'm like, Gabs, this is gonna get people to blow people's accounts unless you get that changed. So I go into next week, assuming I take no trades today. Go into next week needing $1,556 to pass the Blue Sky account. So we need around $500 a day. We'll see if we can get that next week. Not gonna pressure myself. Obviously, I got time. And I hate the CME website. Well, the calendar, the calendar over there sucks. It's hard to figure things out. They could do much better at being more, whatever the word is I'm looking for, clear. There, that's the word I'm looking for. Trying to bounce back up here. Yeah, and sometimes they even have you download a PDF file. Yep, that's a purple candle, and I kind of like it. We're actually going to take a trade, guys. If it holds. If it held. 5-point stop, 10-point target. Let's see what happens. Somewhere here I have my software to actually show this chart. There we go. Ooh, looks like I shouldn't have taken the trade, guys. Might be a little bit further from my, Oh crap, I'm in with 3. Oh my god. Ah! Well, now I'm going to be further from my goal because I accidentally entered it with 3 contracts instead of 1, and I'm not even sure how that happened. Okay. Not sure why the order quantity was set to 3. And watch, it's coming back down now. That just sucks. I hate that so bad. That just $165 plus another 12, so $177 loss. Now I need about 1,700 next week. Well, I mean, to pass. It doesn't have to be next week, but that's gonna bug the crap out of me. I have no idea what. Never mind, it does say 1. Why did it say 3? Never mind, it said 1, but was that candle that big? Okay, I just misread it. So never mind. I didn't screw up on quantity. I thought it was only a 5-point stop and it was a 8-point stop. Either way, I screwed up taking the trade. The order quantity thing he said 3, but it was actually only 1. Whatever. Anyway, the 5 minute sent me a short candle as well, Ahmed. Yeah, it was 1. I'm not sure. I saw 3 over there, and it was going more than what I thought it was supposed to be. I thought it was only a 5-point stop, and it was actually a 9-point stop. Just a bad read. Popping back up here. We have 30 minutes until the market closes. Alright. Just trying to continue up, but we're not going to take. I'm just going to stay flat the rest of the day. We'll watch and have fun and hang out. And anyone has any alcohol? Oh. Nice candle there. That's a beautiful candle. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to revenge trade to try and get back what I lost. The volume's so low that it can easily whip one side or the other. I like this setup. It was coming down. We had this nice purple candle, which was really the better setup to begin with. A nice purple candle down, and it looked like it tried to jump up, failed, and then up and then down. So I thought it was whoop, but it didn't. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart from last night. This all would have been ugly. This would have been a good candle right here. These are the types I'm looking for reversals. Wouldn't even been a huge risk. Would have been about a 6-point risk looking for 9. Got that. Boop. It's like the only one was really great that fit my criteria, it looks like. Right here, that would have been a small candle. Are you looking at the 5-minute chart? It looks like the 1-minute chart, 3-point candles. And see, this blue candle would have also failed. This tiny little one here that's marked with the secondary script, that would have worked. But it was a 2-point candle. But it would have given me 10 points. As the candles form, so are the trades of our lives. Futures close in 25 minutes at 9:15 Eastern, 8:15 Central. Except the bonds. The Ultra Bond and other treasuries are open 2 hours after. But I think most prop firms have said the 9:15 is a cutoff. I'm not sure if you'll be allowed to still trade bonds or not. Here's the 1-minute chart on the Ultra Bond. Look at that. It came down harsh for non-farm payrolls. Continue coming down, and now look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 green candles in a row, 1 red candle, and then 5 more green. Yeah, it might just be observational bias. I haven't tested it at all. But it seems to me that things seem to send a engulfing candle the direction that a big news report ends up going very shortly before. You see here Ultra Bond on the 5-minute charts, that bearish engulfing there. 2 candles before the big move down there on non-farm payrolls. Now, it's going to be interesting. It's Sunday evening. With everything being closed or closing early, how much of a gap on different things are we going to see Sunday evening when the market reopens? So not much going on here. I think we're going to limp into the close anyway. Have a great weekend, JC. Happy Easter. Not much to talk about. Not much to say. Oh, wow. The Russell really liked the news. Wow. Russell shot up 20 points. It's $1,000 candle there. Dow also liked the news. 125 points. See you, Borneo. See you Monday. 15 minutes to go here. We are going to limp. We may even cut it early if it's like no one's talking and there's nothing to talk about. Let's give them something to talk about. Like suns through the hourglass. There's the top of the hour. Small candles. I've seen smaller, I guess. But it's hanging around the 20. Yeah, just trying to lure me in here. Not gonna fall for it. Not gonna fall for it at all. We're popping back up. Trying to entice me again with that purple candle. Trying to lure me in. Nope, I'm not. I'm not touching anything else today. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. So we're just sitting here and watching for the last few minutes. Yeah, feel free to entertain me, guys. Did anyone notice the Easter themed thumbnails for the streams this week? Probably no more holiday decorations now until maybe the 4th of July. Good job, Leonardo. I probably should have done that on the Earn a Trade account now that I think about it. Try to find a good spot to try and get a tick on Earn a Trade. On a micro. I already have all the days in I need on Blue Sky. Thank you guys for all the likes. Appreciate that. It's kind of hanging here. Hey, that's a nice move up. So where are we gonna go in the last 6 minutes? The last 6 minutes. It's the final countdown. Rising up here. Like I said, limping into the close. 5 minutes to go. Have a great weekend, Rod. See you Monday if you're here. That was a boring day, and even non-farm payrolls was kind of boring. Not real exciting. At least with Easter being different time each year, next year, non-farm payrolls shouldn't run into Easter. Let's see when Easter is next year. Easter 2024. It's on March 31st, so yeah, it definitely won't run into non-farm payrolls next year. Last year for non-farm payrolls in April, I did my first ever overnight stream. I don't do those anymore. They might come back at some time. We'll add to a stream of the Europe session. Popping up. So fun, fun, fun. Not really. Ooh. 90, no, 30 seconds to go. And the markets will stop. The candles will stop forming. And we will go dark. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. Hope everyone has an absolutely wonderful weekend. Happy Easter if you celebrate. Hope you have some great times over the weekend. Talk to you all Monday. We'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.